This is Tea Journey series from Fang Gourmet Tea. My name is Kai and your tour guide today on white tea. Fang Gourmet Tea has about 12 kinds of white tea from different seasons or different ages. If you are interested, please take a look at the link below. Most of the white tea are from Fujian province, China. The name derives from the fine silvery white hairs on the unopened buds of the tea plant, essentially non-oxidized, and probably the least processed. Gentle but full of flavors, highest concentration on antioxidants, low on caffeine, suitable for all seasons. White tea can also be drunk fresh or aged. Today I'm going to show you how I make our all-natural white peony. I understand people make tea in different ways. I'm just going to give you some reference here. Eventually, one has to develop one's best combinations. Generally speaking, Gaiwan is easier to handle than teapot in terms of white tea, except the aged ones. Let's warm up and rinse the Gaiwan first. Measure and put in the tea. Let's say 4 grams of white peony in a 120 to 150 ml gaiwan. If you put in too much tea and the leaves cannot open freely, and then you might ruin or waste the tea. Cover the bowl. Shake the bowl with the lid covered a few times, and then open to enjoy the subtle change of the tea. Temperaturized 80 to 90 degrees Celsius for silver needle, 90 and up for white peony and soak. Boiling water for the aged. It means that when you got older, you can withstand harsher changes. Pour the water along the wall of the bowl, slowly and gently. Try not to hit the water on the leaf directly. Stir the leaf with the lid a few times. The first dip can be less than 10 seconds. Make sure you empty all the liquids. Leave the bowl uncovered between steps. Re-steep again after the leaves are cooled down. Increase steeping time just a little bit more on the first 3 steps. You may find white tea to be very generous or long-lasting. There are other topics related to white tea, including aging, storage, and cooking. We will come to those parts in good time.